Ritch Robin here. Let's see what's going on Friday, August 6th, I believe it is today, in the Gator Pit. We're going to walk you through the shop and give you an idea of just what we've been doing this week in the Gator Pit and what we built and what we're getting ready to ship out to our great customers. Guys, let's go through them. We'll turn this camera around and let's get busy with it. Here we go. Let's see what we got. It's a little full out here, don't it? Love it. Look at these meat slingers, man. Love it, love it, love it. Got a grill over there, charcoal grill. Got a pellet grill there. Oh, we got a new welding machine. Hey, I like that. There's your meat slinger right there. Oh, it's got the offset firebox as well. We got the pellet hopper. We got the big meat slinger 24, I believe that is. And we've got the offset firebox on it. Actually, this one customer ordered both of these for his business. And we got a pit built there. Oh, we got some more meat slingers over here. Meat slingers are popular, guys, for concession trailers and restaurants. This one still needs to have the hopper added to it. Nice. And we got all our casters there. Food trailers being built over there. Let's see what we got going on out here. Prepping for paint. Nice big 24-inch smoker right there. Nice. Real firebox. So we got a pit sitting out here, waiting to get shipped out. Let's see what else we got over here. Haha, got more waiting to get shipped out. Look at that, guys. Gator Pit's been busy this week. Been busy. Yeah. Got a nice party gator there. We've got another big old 24-inch pellet grill right here, offset hopper, and that is a offset smoker there. Looks like our backyard classic model with some mods to it. That's an upgraded backyard classic, 24 diameter being the upgrade. And let's see, a little better side of those. The light, different angle with the light, showing you a little better. Meat slingers with the offset firebox. This is just a nice charcoal grill right there. This is a guy picking up here in about an hour, he said. He called. There's your offset firebox to it. Hoppers. Nice, guys. All right, so there you go. That's what's happening on August 6th here in the Gator Pit. I'm fixing to hook up my trailer. I've got to go pick up 40 feet of 20-inch quarter wall pipe. I'm going to grab 40 feet of it with my trailer and get some more pipe stocked over there. Yep. We're using it, guys. Gator Pit's rocking and rolling. There I am right there. Give me a call. Let me know what Gator Pit can do for you. Go to our website at gatorpit.net. That's Gator Pit, Gator.net, gatorpit.net, or give me a call, 713-896-0144. Ritch Robin, see ya.